So I need you to find all the factors of 10 and circle them. I'm going to give you 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to lock your screens, and I need a volunteer to please tell us what you circled. Cameron? Good. Did you guys hear Cameron on the other side? Okay, he said he circled 1, 2, 5, and 10. Why did we not circle 20? Avery? Okay, good. 20 is not a factor of 10. It is a 20 is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10. Let's try this one. I want you to circle the multiples of 5 that are on that screen, and I'm going to give you 1 more minute. All right, I'm going to lock your screens. I need a volunteer to tell me what you circled for the multiples of 5. I'm looking for multiples of 5. Jonah, tell us what you circled. 5, 10, and 15. Good. I see a lot of 1s and 5s circled. So let's talk about the difference really quickly. 1 and 5, if you just circled those two, that's a factor pair. 5 is a multiple because 5 times 1 is 5, but 1 is not going to be a multiple. It's going to be a factor. So on your screen, you should have circled just those 3 numbers, 5, 10, and 15. So now we have a Venn diagram, and we're trying to figure out where these numbers go, but I can only put them in one location. So I want you to alligator your Chromebooks for just a moment so we can talk about what these circles on here mean. So looking up here, only multiples of 2 go in this section, only multiples of 3 go here, and only multiples of 5 go here. What goes in this little part? If they share 2 and 3 as a factor, then they go in there. What goes on this little part? Multiples of 3 and 5. What goes over here? Multiples of 2 and 5. And then in the center, that would be if it's a multiple of 2, 3, and 5. So I've given you 12 numbers. You're not going to be able to drag them on this slide, but you can type a text box and then move the text box around. Tell me how much time you need to complete this slide. 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Okay, let's go 3 minutes and then we'll see where we are.
Wait, 60 to multiply 4, 2, 6, 2.
Okay, let me check back in with you because that was your timer. Raise your hand if you need a little bit more time to get those numbers. I know there's a lot. Okay, so let's meet in the middle and do about another minute and a half, and then we'll discuss them. If you're finished, make sure you look and see if you have some that should be shared with another number, that you move it to where those circles are overlapping.